Hello students, I am Mrs. S. Vinay, Assistant Teacher, Ghate S. Vidyalay and Junior College, Ujande, Muktaynagar. Welcome to our class, Standard 8, Subject English. Today we will learn our lesson, Excuses. Excuses meaning in simple English, reasons, causes. There are two characters, Ritesh, a school student, Mrs. Sen, his class teacher. Scene, a classroom, means a scene of a classroom. Ritesh, may I come in, madam? Ritesh is asking a permission to his teacher to come in the class. Mrs. Sen, now, don't you think you are early? Why the teacher is asking such a question? Ritesh didn't understand. Ritesh, pardon ma'am, means Ritesh is saying that I am sorry madam. Mrs. Sen, I mean for the second period, you are too early for the second period. Mrs. Sen is saying that the second period is going to start. Ritesh, I am so sorry ma'am. I am really sorry. I started well in time from home. You won't believe what happened. Ritesh is telling that he started well in time from home, but something happened which is unbelievable. Mrs. Sen, we shall see. Let's hear the story first. What happened? Nothing sort of an earthquake, I am sure. Nothing sort of the meaning of word, nothing less than. Mrs. Sen is saying that we all are interested in your story. Now tell your story. There is no earthquake, I am sure. Ritesh, no ma'am. Really ma'am. Honestly ma'am. Means Ritesh is saying that I am very honest and I am telling truth. Mrs. Sen, go ahead, go ahead. Ritesh, I was walking to school as usual. I was halfway down the narrow lane that leads to the market. Suddenly I heard a scream from the main road. Ritesh is telling that he reached to the market and suddenly he heard a scream from the main road. Scream means a loud noise of a cry. Mrs. Sen, and of course you had to investigate. The word investigate, the meaning is here, carry out a systematic search to discover truth about some incident. Mrs. Sen asked, then Ritesh, you went there and you discovered the truth? Ritesh, yes madam. I had to find out if someone needed help, and sure enough, there was this person lying near the pavement. He was groaning with pain. The meaning of these two words, pavement, a footpath of the sides of road, and groaning, a making a painful sound. Ritesh is telling that he found a person lying near the pavement who was making a painful sound. Mrs. Sen, so you took him to Dr. Jadhav? Ritesh, no ma'am, I didn't get a chance. Just as I reached that man, another man come running out of the shop there with a pocket in his hand, and the shopkeeper also ran out shouting, Chor, chor, catch him. Mrs. Sen, amazing. Quite a handful for you to deal with, and all at once. What did you do then? To deal with? To handle. Mrs. Sen asked, then Ritesh, it is difficult for you to handle all these things? Ritesh, yes ma'am. But the most amazing thing happened then. That man near the pavement, he too got up and began to run with the thief. Here, Ritesh told us why he was late in the school. We learn the topic of our lesson and the new words and their meaning. Now, look at these two questions. Question 1. In what sense was Ritesh early? Here is answer. For the second period, Ritesh is early, means second period is going to start and Ritesh is there, and so the Ritesh is early. Question number 2. What was the first reason why Ritesh was delayed? Answer is here in these lines. When the Ritesh reached market, suddenly he heard a scream from the main road, and then he went there and he investigated. He found a person lying near the pavement who was in a pain, and at the same time there come another person with a pocket in his hand, and the shopkeeper is there running after that person who is shouting chor chor, catch him. And they both come near the pavement, and the person who was in a pain, he also got up and began to run after with the tip. This is the first reason for the Ritesh to come late in the school or for the delay. Here we completed this part of our lesson. We will learn the next part of our lesson in the next video. Thank you.